Hey HappyFox users, today we're going to learn how to set up auto assignments, which means you don't have to manually assign tickets to your staff agents. So in order to get to this management center, click on the Manage tab, and then your sub-tab of categories. Scroll below all your categories, and then you're going to have the auto assignments section. So simply click Add a new auto assignment and fill out this simple form here. In this case, I'm going to call this auto assignment 1, and you can assign it to whatever category you would like. Later you can push, or you can edit this and inactivate it or reactivate it if you want using this drop down. And then you have two types of auto assignments that you can select from. So by default, you have the round robin auto assignment. And what this means is that HappyFox is going to assign tickets to your staff agents in a circular and consecutive fashion. For example, you have 3 staff agents, and a ticket comes into HappyFox. It's ticket 1. It gets assigned to staff agent 1. Ticket 2 goes to staff agent 2. Ticket 3 goes to staff agent 3. And then ticket 4 goes back to staff agent 1. And then the cycle continues. Very simple process. But you also have this ability based on active staff auto assignment. And this is a little bit more of a detailed auto assignment. So let me show you what I mean by that. So simply click that option, save your settings, and now I'm going to see a drop down which staff do I want to associate from this category to this auto assignment. In this case, I'm just gonna, I only have 2 guys, I'm gonna associate them all. And now also see that I have this little green button here, which means I am available. I have the option to, as a staff agent, I have the option to click on this little button and become unavailable. So now HappyFox is going to start assigning tickets only to available staff. And it's not just going to use the circular round robin technique as it was in the other option. What this is going to do is find out which of my staff agents are available and which one of them has the least amount of work. That's which staff agent is going to receive the next ticket. So the way that HappyFox does this is it will take the staff load is calculated as a ratio of their current assigned pending tickets to their throttle limit. So what I mean by throttle limit here is you have the option as an administrator to set a throttle limit for your staff members, okay, which you see here. Now, once I set up an auto assignment, this option will become available, and you can set in this read text field a threshold limit, meaning, a throttle limit, meaning this staff agent, and this says 5 here, but this staff agent can only handle 20 tickets at a time. And after that, we don't want to overwhelm him with work. We'll distribute the tickets elsewhere, basically. So you have to set this throttle limit for your staff agents. Really quick, I want you to notice in parentheses right here, if you use 0, that means that there is no throttle limit, and these staff agents or this staff agent, either way, can collect unlimited tickets to work on. So you won't have to worry about it. But I want you to notice really fast, if I leave this blank here, save my settings, none of my staff agents have a throttle limit. And so when I go to edit this auto assignment that I just created, I'm going to be able to assign a throttle limit to my team, okay, with this drop down here. So again, you could assign the throttle limit to the team here, however many tickets that threshold is, and then you could also do it per staff agent. And the reason why you have to do that again is because HappyFox uses this to calculate who has the least amount of work so that HappyFox can assign the next ticket to that person. So again, you have these 2 options for auto assignments. Whenever tickets come in, it will automate that process for you. And if you guys have any other questions, please feel free to email us. We're happy to chat with you. Again, thanks for using HappyFox.